Okay, so first thing with Laredo, Texas, when you're heading down there, you might be calling your agents or brokers or whoever you're dealing with, and you want to ask them basically, is it a live unload or are you going to be dropping the trailer? So that's like your number one, like most important question right there. The reason I say this is because a lot of times when you go down there to Laredo, they're going to want you to drop that trailer. I'd say 90% of the time, they're going to want you to drop that trailer. You know what I mean? Because there's so much going on when you get down there. You got people bringing in trailers over the border, and then you got people dropping trailers, waiting for the forwarding guys to basically come pick up the trailer and bring it back over the border. So it's pretty much chaos. You know, any of you guys out there that have gone down to Laredo, or if you guys are new in the game, I'm sure at some point you're going to go down to Laredo. Bunch of forwarding centers, a lot going on. It's complete chaos, and yeah. So with that being said, make sure you have a trailer when you go down there. If they say that it is you're going to be dropping the trailer, then you want to make sure with that agent that they at least have a guaranteed trailer for you that you can pick up when you drop that trailer. Because last time I went down there, you know, my agent was like, "Yeah, you're dropping the trailer," and I was like, "Okay, well the only way I'm booking this load right here is if you have a trailer that I can pick up, and that's the only way I'm booking the load." So what happens is, and this is just from my experience and talking to other drivers, but I believe that they kind of hold on to the trailers for whatever reason. I don't know why, it just seems like that. They hold on to them for whatever, because I've been down there before where there's been, you know, 20, 30 different drivers waiting on trailers, and you go out there and you count 40 empties, and you're like, you know, what's going on? What's the deal? Why can't I get a trailer? So I don't know why it seems like that, and I don't know, maybe they favorite certain people that are always working down there within Laredo, and then when the over-the-road drivers come in, they don't want to give them the empties for whatever reason. I honestly don't know, but what I'm saying is, when you go down there, just make sure you have a trailer or you can get into the trailer pool. If the agent doesn't have a trailer for you, then really the only two ways that you can get out of there is if you get on the list, which, like I said, that's usually a problem because you're waiting a week, 2 weeks on a trailer, or you're going to find something preloaded. So a lot of times you can call like a different agent and say, "Hey, do you got something preloaded? I lost my trailer in Laredo," or just try to talk to somebody and get something worked out. But I would recommend trying to hold on to your trailer that you go down. So, okay, so this gets into the next part of my vehicle, or into my next point, is when you go down to Laredo, at least me personally, I don't know if I'm being over paranoid, I act like I have a target on my back. You know, I feel like I'm on high alert every time I go down there, because Laredo is a sketchy place. It's on the border of Mexico, so there's a lot of sketchy stuff going on down there. With that being said, you know, be on high.
I choose the 25-minute outs because I kind of like the challenge. So sweet foods are more likely to create anxiety, while sour foods will reduce anxiety. This is what I believe. Inoculated this with bananas that were in the ferment jars. When this was too hot and it didn't ferment, I think I killed the bacteria. It was extremely warm when I put them in. I think I killed the bacteria because it did not get sour at all overnight. You know, I don't know how Target is so popular. Every time I walk in, I feel so angry. I see all that red, it makes me so angry. I mean, red affects people, and it makes people feel more aggressive. So they just paint the whole store red, and people are walking. I mean, people look calm and stuff, but I feel angry. I don't know how they're calm. Color of blood gets people in the mood to shop. In Walmart, you have all this blue. It's a little more relaxing, the color. Right, so this Samsung alarmed me that it only charged to 85%. It's so I looked that up, and it's been doing it on purpose. It does it on purpose to save battery life. So you can't do it at 100%, but you could change that option. I guess I'm in the power saving mode. It only goes to 85%. Seems okay right now. This battery life is pretty good anyway, so I don't exactly need to go to 100% for what I'm doing. But yeah, 85% on purpose. Did make a top for the milk containers, and no, I'm not happy with that being enough. Working on the bottom, this part took a long time, and I'm just gonna take this up as far as the spool goes, because I don't mind if it gets up all the way to the top. I can fold it down, so I'll have a top and a bottom to help with preserving the coolness of the milk. Before you watch the rest of this video, I'm gonna need to see some ID first. Alright, it's time to dump this iPad 3. I am done with it. It's got too much, it's got a little bit of weight to it, so I see that's the old plug-in right there. It'll be a good weight drop. I haven't used it in months and months, and it's just really not good for Wi-Fi connection or anything. I'm done with this thing. Alright, I didn't think to record it from above, but not far from the Walmart, across the highway, this blanket got my attention. Look at that, it's not even taken out of the package. It smells okay. And then there's a bunch of stuff underneath. Oh, some pennies. And then smells well like concrete. I think I want to check out a couple of things. Oh, a sleeping bag? You could kneel through this, but it's a little wet. Probably do it in knee pads and shorts. I threw some of the stuff out, sleeping bag, and some of these, I don't know, like they got the blanket and then just didn't take it out of the package. Did they steal these? This is early in my journey. I'm gonna pick them up later. I don't think they're going anywhere. A couple of things. I think I'll take the sweater and then a couple of blankets. Nothing else I could really use. It's a pretty good hiding spot because not many people will walk around here. There's no businesses. It's on the other side of the highway from the businesses. It's a little windy, a little sunny. It's supposed to be hot today too. I was hoping it'd be in the 60s, but it's supposed to get up in the low 80s. Check out these guys with shotguns. They got shotguns. What are they guarding? Core Civic? Processing center? Agua. Need agua. Feel the burn. Sexual health. I just looked at a political sign for Mary Perez. I should have recorded it. This is a cemetery. But it now got me thinking that if you're going to get a political picture of you taken for people to see 3 feet high, you should look directly at the people, I would think. She's like looking off in the distance. Makes her look loopy. I'm sort of heading to the library, but in an indirect way. I'll look at the map eventually. And I ain't never seen a more decorated cemetery than this. They got no rules on flowers. They got absolutely no rules. It's winner take all. Everybody gets flowers, and more than they can handle in some cases. My God, they have peppered. They have more than peppered. They have shaken the whole bottle of pepper, and it's just endless. I think this might be a Catholic thing. Endless area filled with flowers. Pretty rare to see, really. I could go down this road and see a bunch. Water not potable. Due to risk of tripping accidents, no digging is allowed. Missing. Looks like it was drawn in crayon. Alright, I've been going down Lafayette this whole time, I think, unless if it changed. I don't know where I'm at. I should be close to the border, Rio Grande. Joe Gregory's Motorcycle Sale and Service. We buy, sell, and trade, and also have a driving school, teens and adults. All right, so we got this little swamp area, flood zone. It's the only one in the city, I think. All right, up ahead I see a couple of loose dogs, and then these young guys. Oh. I don't know what to think of this. Those are some big dogs. Those are some big dogs. They don't. Yeah, they might. They're not overreacting. Uh-oh. Come towards me. Okay. No big whoop. Alright, so they don't want you crossing the train tracks to go to wherever. I gotta go to the road, but that's no easy feat. So now I gotta get around this whole building. Well, that only added 5 minutes to the travel time. Now I can cross. Oh, you can only cross at the designated crossing areas because the road is so much safer. All right, getting more into the downtown area. I count 2 Border Patrol vehicles. They're pretty frequent. It's pretty congested here, guys. Cleaning windshields, begging for money at that intersection. I'm heading to the library. I don't think I'm gonna drive down here. I'm thinking that I'll just check it out on bicycle today, and I kind of wanted to check out the district attorney, ask them about search warrants. I might try to do that today. Alright, so they got post office boxes for the border. I've seen that in Canada, on the Canadian border too, in Washington. So they got it here. I've probably seen it in Arizona. Just can't recall. Alright. Maybe I'll park my bicycle at the library and walk over to the district attorney. I'm just scared that I might be smelling a little unsavory. Alright, I stopped at the district clerk's office and they don't have arrest. Oh my god, a dog. Oh, they don't have search warrants available for the public. They said I had to file a request to look at their search warrants. File a request. I want to make it difficult. Interesting how they're all so different and how they handle simple search warrant requests. They want to make it as difficult as it is for the cops to actually file it themselves. I think part of the reason this city is so civil in appearance, even though there's the criminals who do sneak around, because they're putting up a lot of bars on windows, and like over here, the Tex-Mex, they got a lot of bars just for a gas station. It looks out of business. I think it's a cop town. Laredo's like a cop town. They hire a lot of cops for various jobs. They're doing a lot of different work, and they're living in the community, safening it up, raising the standards with criminality. You better be a good criminal if you want to get away with things here.